If you're
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. The smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat. Just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling.
See how it looks like?
Yes, I got it.
Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice
All right, folks, wait right here. I'm going to get your seats ready. I'll be right back.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Soarin Airlines. Before our flight may depart, we would like to take this opportunity to go over our onboard safety procedures. To fasten your seatbelt, take the belt on your left-hand side and insert it into the buckle on your right. Any smaller aviators that don't measure up to the red height indicators on the seat backs must use the middle loop to buckle for us. Place any personal items you brought with you today by putting them in the basket located underneath your seat. And remain seated at all times with your face covering on during the duration of your flight today. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thanks for soaring with us.
In just a moment, I'm going to have row 3 follow me inside. Behind row 3 will be row 2. Behind row 2 will be row 1. Make sure we keep 6 feet in between our parties as we enter.
Yeah, come on. That seems like right. Are we going out?
Yep, go now.
Go.
Don't be shy.
And there we go. And row 1, all the way down.
All right, you're going to head down to the 2 seats at the end of the row.
Okay, got it.
And the next party at 2, you're going to take your 2 seats. Oh, okay. No, you're good. You're good. Sorry. Something else.
Cool. Okay. Good, we're kind of centered.
Hello everyone and welcome to Soarin. Some of our seats have been closed to promote physical distancing. Please take your seat as you arrive at the gate. Once you approach your row, please move all the way down to your row seats. Know that there are seats closed off between the group of available seats. For your health and safety, face covers must fully cover your nose and mouth in order at all times while on the attraction. Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Favor de colocar sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños. Esperamos que disfruten su vuelo.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. Just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here in EPCOT or wherever you're
final destination.